how does she help her kids' cravings for s'mores?
You're in an apartment, you can't build a fire, but you can still make all the stuff and then you can make your own s'mores, right? But instead of like, you know, taking the marshmallow and sticking it over fire, what you do is make the marshmallow, make some pudding, make some graham crackers, and then assemble everything into a jar. Sugar, cornstarch, cocoa powder, you know, salt. Always
salt.
Always. Egg yolks, milk.
A little vanilla?
A little vanilla.
That's some thick milk.
Mix it all together. You know, it's really hard to get like the cocoa powder to like mix all the way in. It will on the stove.
It will on the stove.
It will on the stove. So then you take all that good stuff, pour it in
Pour it in the pot.
Well, there's also like, you know, you're in a New York City apartment, you can't have a campfire, you can have a blowtorch.
Yes!
Okay, so now the pudding is nice and thick.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh! Good, right? Chocolate pudding.
Yes, please.
That
Okay,
just transformed.
take the pudding. I find it's a lot easier to stick it in a piping bag.
Yeah, or you could put it in a large plastic food storage bag, cut the corner, and make a piping bag.
Cut the tip off. Put some pudding in here. And like, here's the thing. When you give a little kid a piping bag full of pudding,
Oh my God.
it's magic. This is homemade graham crackers.
Yum.
Now,
We're gonna put up all the recipes, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
totally.
yeah.
He just took us on the roller coaster ride.
I know.
Up and down. Up and down.
You're not gonna
You're
be
like,
selling
what?
out of graham crackers in Vegas anytime soon.
Okay, more graham crackers.
Are we gonna learn what's actually in marshmallow? Because I have no idea.
Egg whites,
Egg
powdered
whites, sugar.
gelatin.
There you go.
Wait, we need
I'm
more
just
pudding.
playing with fire.
We need more pudding. All right.
Looks great.
Torch it.
Oh,
Who wants to torch
delicious.
it? I think you want to torch
I
it. don't you?
totally-
Chip, you want to relive? No, she wants to.
Yeah,
Go
go
ahead.
ahead. Please,
Go
go
ahead.
ahead.
There's no torches in the pharmacy.
Totally.
She
I
wants to
know.
fight
I don't get
fire.
to do this stuff. All right.
Go for it,
look at
girl.
it.
So the way
Good
this
idea.
works, you gotta just like that. Okay, and then just torch the marshmallow.
Yes.
Also,
Yeah.
there's my ring.